Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, please click on that subscribe button. Okay guys, so we are going through a short demo tutorial on how to edit your STL file on TinkerCAD. Okay, first of all, you log into your TinkerCAD account and go to create a new design. Okay, so once you have created a new design, you will be faced with this work plane default view. So let's say you have a STL file that you wish to edit. Okay, all you need to do is click on import on the top right hand corner, import 3D files, drag and drop 2D or 3D file here. So an STL file is a 3D file. I have one here, so I am gonna just drag and drop to I'm just gonna drag and drop it to this. There you go. And I click on import. So it imports the file that you have uploaded. Okay, for the thing about this is that you can no longer break down all these shapes into its basic shape that it was made out of from. So it is existing as such. So this is a fixed shape. You can see here, it's a fixed shape. So what you can do is that you make adjustments upon this shape. Whatever adjustments that you think you need to do. So for me, I have to make an adjustment on this hole here. It's too small, and the ledge here, it's too high for my Apple Watch. My Apple Watch is currently fixed with a screen protector and Apple Watch protector, so it's a bit bulky. So it requires the ledge to be brought down, and my Apple Watch power USB is a bit big, so this hole here has to be cut bigger, wider. So what can I do? So what I can do is that I click on W, get the work plane tool, and start working on this plane, right? As you can see here, it's a bit off. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in, and here's just a short demo on how I do it. So I am gonna align it such that it is so I'm gonna do it as touch. Okay, so I am doing it like that, and I'm gonna cut the hole a bit bigger. So I'm gonna take a box, and this box is aligned to the temporary work plane that I have just created. So I'm gonna bring it down, and I kind of see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so what's important is the alignment of this box. So I'm gonna align using the align tool. I am aligning the box, and I switch the align tool off. So now I need to raise the gap in the box here so that it does not it just cuts nicely. This is the so you can see here, and I'm gonna squash down this a bit. All right, and bring it a bit down. Okay, so now you can see that the hole is generated, and I'm gonna pull the hole down all the way down. Right, so it makes the USB port the wire for the wire is much wider, so it's much better this way. So I need to reduce it by 0.05. Let's see. So as you can see here, yeah, something like that. And all I need to do now is align it such a way that it is okay. So now I have widened the hole. What I need to do is merge the hole, the negative space, and the object at the same time. So I'm gonna click on group. As you can see here that it is now, the hole is now enlarged. But as you can see, there is some jaggedness there, so I do not want that. So we're gonna do undo and we're gonna try again. We'll see whether, or we can we can get 6. What, 6? Yeah, 6. Yeah, so 6.05. No. 6.05. Okay. .05. Okay. So you can see here that it is alright. So length, radius, so we're gonna select both shapes and merge. So this is how it looks like. Unsatisfactory. And we are gonna align again, making sure that these two shapes are nice and aligned. I'm going to select both shapes and merge. You can see here the hole is enlarged. All right, and then next thing is I'm going to create a work plane again. This time is on this face. Again, I'm going to create the box. This box should align with this article, so I'm going to align it again. And this time around I am gonna get the box close and widen up. Now I'm gonna reduce this down to about 10. Right, about 10, yeah. And I'm gonna shift this in as close as to the possible to the face. So now I'm gonna align it again because it's shifted. Then I'm gonna align it, yeah. So let me see. And okay, so what I need to do is I need to shift this up just one, and we select everything and group. So this is how it looks like. So yes sir. So this is the newly modified Apple Watch stand that is, I think it suits more for my watch with a protector on. So I do not have to open up the protector over and over again. And I think this is the final edit. So what I do, if I am happy with the final product, the edit, all I need to do right now is to click on export STL, and this is the finished product that you can send to your 3D printer, and make sure you convert it into G code first before sending it to your 3D printer. Bye.